Karma Guy here. Let's talk about ultimate mobility and how this 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan Passenger SXT minivan is built to make your life easier. Whether you're looking for everyday family transport or need a minivan with a wheelchair ramp, this one's got you covered. The ramp extends effortlessly from the vehicle, offering safe and easy access for wheelchair users. No more hassle, just smooth, independent journeys. Designed for comfort and convenience, this vehicle is perfect for ensuring independence and comfort, no matter where the road takes you. Recent service valued over $1,150 ensures that this van is in great shape, with things like spark plugs, engine mounts, transmission, catalytic converter, shocks, and fresh oil/filter change all taken care of. And it's not just any used van. It's a dealer-certified pre-owned unit, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty, plus an option to upgrade to a 5-year service plan, all offered at a discounted price when you purchase. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade, available at the time of sale. We know buying a car is a big decision, and we're here to make it easy for you. Remember, price reductions or discounts won't affect this car's certified pre-owned status or the warranty package. Because when it comes to quality, remember, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of a low price is forgotten. Visit us today and experience the difference for yourself.